This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for November 19, 2024. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 0.97 points or 0.24% to 402.53. Total trade volume was up compared to Monday with 68,936 shares changing hands at a total value of 404 million real or approximately $100,000. On the main board, 3 stocks were up. Leading the market was Grand Twins International, up 3.24% or 160 real to 5,100 real per share. This was followed by the Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ, which was up 0.44% or 10 real to 2,260 real per share. Phnom Penh Autonomous Port was also up 20 real to 13,500 real per share. On the other hand, 3 stocks were down. The biggest loser of the day was the Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, which was down 0.94% or 60 real to 6,300 real per share. CamGSM also dropped 0.41% or 10 real to 2,430 real per share. Akleda Bank was also down 0.29% or 20 real to 6,980 real per share. Meanwhile, the Sinagville Autonomous Port, Pestech Cambodia, and MJQ Education remained flat. Over on the growth board, both stocks were down. DBD Engineering was down 0.49% or 10 real to 2,050 real per share, and JS Land was down 0.29% or 10 real to 3,480 real per share. Akleda Bank once again recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 27,729 shares changing hands at a total value of 194 million real or around $35,800, making up roughly 36% of total shares traded on November 19th. Grand Twins International recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 23,683 shares changing hands at a total value of 119 million real or over $29,500, accounting for around 30% of Tuesday's trade volume. In other market news, Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ released its third quarterly report for 2024, which shows that the company recorded a total revenue of 12.8 billion real, which is a decrease of 83% from the same period in 2023. However, the company reported an increase in net profits, up 216.47% from Q3 of 2023 to 18.2 billion real, or roughly $4.5 million. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD strengthened to 4,039 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was slightly down to 106.45. Looking at global commodities, oil slipped on Tuesday, pressured by the restart of production at Norway's Johan Sverdrup oil field, although investor caution arising from fears of an escalation in the Russia-Ukraine war limited the decline. Brent crude futures were down 45 cents or 0.6% to $72.85 US dollars a barrel. Gold prices climbed for a second straight session to hit a one-week peak on Tuesday as the US dollar pulled back from recent highs, while investors awaited comments from US Federal Reserve officials for clarity on interest rate cut policy. Spot gold rose 0.3% to $2,619.50 US dollars per ounce, the highest since November 12th. Prices gained 2% on Monday, recovering from a 2-month low hit on Thursday. U.S. gold futures added 0.4% to $2,623.70 US dollars. Stock futures fell as Russia's Vladimir Putin updated the country's nuclear doctrine. The changes mean that Russia will now view any attack by a non-nuclear country supported by a nuclear power as a joint attack, Russian news agency TASS reported. This news comes after U.S. President Biden authorized Ukrainian forces to use long-range weapons to strike inside Russia, as the Wall Street Journal reported on Monday. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, futures tied to the S&P 500 fell 0.3%, while Nasdaq 100 futures slipped 0.4% after both were initially higher earlier in the day. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 0.4% or 190 points ahead of the open. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for November 19th.